Have you ever checked your bank account after a normal month and thought, where did all my money go? No big purchases, no crazy spending, just food, a few dinners out, maybe a new phone. And somehow, your money is gone. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. A lot of what we spend money on today simply isn't worth it anymore. Prices have exploded, value hasn't, and we keep paying anyway. Fast food and restaurants. Fast food used to be cheap and convenient. Now it's $15 to $20 for a meal you eat in your car. That's restaurant money without restaurant quality. And actual restaurants? Dinner for two can easily hit $80 to $100 after drinks and tips. One meal, gone forever. Eat out a few times a week and you're burning thousands every month on food you could make at home for a fraction of the cost. This is one of the biggest reasons people can't save. New cars. Buying a brand new car is one of the worst financial decisions you can make. The second you drive it off the lot, it loses around 20% of its value. Then it keeps dropping while you're still making payments and paying interest. A 3 to 4-year-old used car does the same job, costs way less, and avoids the massive depreciation hit. New cars don't make you wealthy, they keep you broke. Clothes and status brands. There's nothing wrong with buying quality items that last, but most people aren't paying for quality, they're paying for logos. A $10 shirt and a $200 designer shirt often come from the same factory. The difference is the brand. Nobody is impressed. You're just $190 poor. Luxury clothes don't build wealth. They build credit card debt. Vacations. Travel can be great if you can afford it, but flights, hotels, and even budget trips are insanely expensive now, so people put vacations on credit cards, then spend the next year paying interest on memories. Experiences are valuable, but so is not being stressed about money. Take smaller trips, travel locally, save big travel for when you can actually afford it. Subscriptions and memberships. Streaming services add up fast. $10 here, $15 there, suddenly it's $80 a month, nearly $1,000 a year. Cable is even worse, hundreds of channels nobody watches. Same with gym memberships people stop using after 2 weeks, but keep paying because canceling feels uncomfortable. Unused subscriptions quietly drain your money. Electronics. New phones come out every year. People buy them every year, even when the old one works perfectly. You're still scrolling, texting, and watching videos. A better camera doesn't change your life. If you kept your phone or laptop for 4 to 5 years, you'd save thousands. Tech companies rely on making you feel outdated even when you're not. Household and premium products. Generic cleaning products work just fine. Cheap kitchen tools work just fine. Nobody needs a $400 blender or financed furniture. Going into debt for a couch is insane. Most of this stuff is about appearances, not usefulness. Status spending. This is the worst one. Buying things to look successful instead of actually becoming successful. Luxury watches, designer bags, cars people can barely afford. Real wealth doesn't need to prove itself. Looking rich and being rich are not the same thing, and for most people, you can't do both. Everything costs more now, and most of it isn't worth the price. The solution is simple. Cook at home, keep your car longer, buy used, cut subscriptions you don't use, keep your phone until it actually breaks, stop chasing status. Stop trying to look wealthy. Start building wealth. Your life might look less impressive on social media, but you'll have savings, investments, and real financial security, and that's worth more than any logo, car, or vacation photo.